Money for memories. Your dream trip awaits. Imagine getting paid to travel. Yes, you heard that right. Some countries will actually pay you to experience their beauty. Today we're diving into one such place. The stunning island of Sardinia, Italy. Sardinia offers more than just breathtaking scenery. It's a land of ancient history, unique culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. And the best part? They're offering a helping hand to make your dream trip a reality. So, buckle up as we explore this incredible opportunity to get paid to travel to Sardinia. Get ready for an adventure filled with sun, sand, and savings. Let's go. Unveiling the treasure Sardinia, the generous island. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea, Sardinia is a jewel of Italy. This island, with its rich history and stunning natural beauty, has long been a favorite among travelers seeking both adventure and relaxation. Known for its pristine beaches, rugged mountains, and vibrant culture, it's a destination that has it all. From the crystal clear waters of its beaches to the majestic peaks of its mountains, Sardinia offers a diverse range of experiences. But what makes Sardinia truly stand out is its unique offer to tourists. Beyond its natural beauty and cultural richness, the island is now providing an extraordinary incentive for visitors. The Sardinian government is offering 15,000 lucky travelers a grant of €3,000 each. This generous grant is designed to make your visit even more memorable and affordable. This initiative aims to combat over-tourism in popular areas by encouraging visitors to explore lesser-known regions of the island. By doing so, it helps to preserve the natural beauty and cultural heritage of Sardinia. This means you can receive financial assistance to discover the hidden gems of Sardinia. Imagine exploring charming villages, hiking through breathtaking landscapes, and uncovering the island's best-kept secrets, and immersing yourself in the local culture, all while getting paid to do so. Whether it's savoring traditional Sardinian cuisine, participating in local festivals, or simply enjoying the serene countryside, Sardinia promises an unforgettable experience. A glimpse into paradise, Sardinia's captivating charm. This Mediterranean gem is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness. Sardinia is a land of contrasts, where ancient ruins meet modern cities, creating a unique blend of history and contemporary life. Towering mountains give way to sparkling coastlines, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Explore the charming cobblestone streets of Cagliari, the island's capital, where every corner tells the story of its rich past. Delve into its rich history by visiting historical landmarks and ancient sites that have stood the test of time. For beach lovers, Sardinia is a paradise. Its pristine beaches are perfect for sunbathing and unwinding. Imagine sinking your toes into the soft, white sand of Costa Smeralda, one of the most famous beaches in the world, or diving into the crystal clear waters of Cala Golorizze, a haven for snorkelers and divers alike. The possibilities for relaxation and adventure are endless. Hike through scenic trails or kayak along the stunning coastline. Don't miss the opportunity to immerse yourself in Sardinia's unique culture. Experience the vibrant festivals that bring the island to life. Witness traditional crafts being made by skilled artisans, preserving age-old techniques, and savor the flavors of authentic Sardinian cuisine, a delightful blend of Mediterranean and local ingredients. Sardinia truly offers an unforgettable experience. Applying for paradise, your ticket to Sardinian adventures. Ready to embark on your Sardinian adventure? The application process is straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information and submit a travel plan outlining your intended itinerary. Be sure to highlight your interest in exploring the lesser-known regions of the island. Emphasize your desire to experience the local culture, support local businesses, and contribute to sustainable tourism. The Sardinian government is looking for travelers who are genuinely interested in discovering the island's hidden treasures. So showcase your enthusiasm and let your passion for travel shine through in your application. Timing is everything when planning your Sardinian getaway. The shoulder seasons, spring and fall, offer pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and better deals on flights and accommodations. Public transportation in Sardinia is reliable and affordable, allowing you to explore the island without breaking the bank. Consider renting a car for greater flexibility in reaching remote areas. Embrace the local lifestyle by staying in charming guest houses or agritourism working farms offering accommodations and authentic Sardinian experiences. Section 6. Indulge your senses savoring Sardinia's culinary delights. No trip to Sardinia is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From fresh seafood to hearty pasta dishes, Sardinian cuisine is a feast for the senses. Be sure to try porcedu, slow-roasted suckling pig, and culugiones, ravioli filled with ricotta cheese and herbs. And don't forget to sip on Canonau, a full-bodied red wine that pairs perfectly with Sardinian specialties. For a truly authentic experience, visit local markets and sample regional cheeses, cured meats, and fresh produce. Engage with the locals and learn about the stories behind their culinary traditions. Section 7. Beyond the beaches, unveiling Sardinia's hidden gems. While Sardinia's beaches are undeniably alluring, venture beyond the coast to discover a world of hidden gems. The island's interior is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural heritage waiting to be explored. Explore the rugged landscapes of Supramonte, home to towering limestone cliffs, deep gorges, and ancient caves. This area is perfect for adventurers and nature enthusiasts looking to experience Sardinia's wild side. Discover the Nuraghi, mysterious stone structures dating back to the Bronze Age, scattered throughout the island. These ancient edifices are a testament to the island's rich history and architectural ingenuity. These enigmatic towers offer a glimpse into Sardinia's ancient past. Walking through these historical sites, you can almost feel the presence of the ancient civilizations that once thrived here. For a unique cultural experience, visit the town of Mamoiada, known for its traditional carnival masks and celebrations. The vibrant festivals here are a feast for the senses, showcasing the island's rich cultural tapestry. Witness the mamuthones, masked figures covered in sheepskins. Parade through the streets in a ritual that has been passed down for generations. This ancient tradition is a captivating spectacle that offers a deep connection to Sardinia's cultural roots. Section 8. Embrace the unexpected, navigating Sardinian adventures. While traveling in Sardinia is generally safe and hassle-free, it's essential to be prepared for the unexpected. Learn a few basic Italian phrases to enhance your interactions with the locals. Be aware that some areas of the island may have limited English signage. Download offline maps and translation apps to navigate with ease. Embrace the Sardinian pace of life and don't be afraid to ask for directions or assistance. The locals are known for their warmth and hospitality, and they're always happy to help visitors.
Section 9. Your Sardinian journey begins now. Pack your bags and say ciao. Sardinia awaits with open arms and a heart full of warmth. Take advantage of this incredible opportunity to get paid to travel and experience the magic of this enchanting island. From pristine beaches to ancient ruins, culinary delights, to hidden cultural gems, Sardinia has something to offer every traveler. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Sardinian adventure today, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more amazing travel opportunities. We'll see you in the next video. Ciao.